guys, welcome back to another video on the plane being. So you drink, and then what is that? What was that? It was like super big. I heard something weird. I don't know. Well, yep. Okay, we gonna drink. Like, subscribe. Okay, what are we doing? We drinking our Bloxy Cola. Bloxy Cola. Why are people talking about SpongeBob? I don't know what they're talking about. Okay. What are you doing? Why are you saying all the names? Take this! Yeah. Yeah. What are the game passes? Fast burps? Double burp points. What did you... Hey, come over here, come over here. No, I need to drink. Drink. Chug, 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 chug. Chug, chug. Okay. You're playing Burping for me. Focus. Okay, here we go. Coming after you, Cody. I can't get him. Hey. Oh. Come over here. Come over here. Come. Yeah. Why are my burps not working? They're not working. What is happening? What is happening? What is that? Don't come near me. No. Don't burp on me. Factory Incorporated. Lamest name ever. That I don't know what he's talking about. I don't even want to talk about it. Go here, Dachshund. What is bacon? He's getting ready to kill, like burping and everyone. Get over here! Oh, I'm almost dead. Run! Run! He's trying to burp on me. Run! Take that! No! Don't you dare try to burp on me. No! Bad. No! What? What is happening? There's a million people in there. There went boy. Dachshund! Come over here! Yeah! Hey, old pony's in here. Oh no, Dawkins. No, no, take this. Won't burp. Bacon. Bacon makes everything better. My name is Bacon. No, 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 no. Oh my, what is happening? What is that? Run, run. She's gonna try to hit me. You're gonna try to hit me. Okay, stay there. Do not move Candy Queen Queen X. Candy Queen? No, not Candy Cane. Queen. My two. He's a Jimmy Gordon. He's a Tim Gordon. Okay. Booney. I, I wanted to be the Jimmy Gordon on my Roblox avatar, but I was too late. Oof. What was that? Purple on her. Well, I see. Come over here, Willy Will. Burp. Yo, burp coming up. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. First, I need a drink. Take that. I need to drink more. Drink, 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 drink. Chug, chug, chug. Okay. Take that. Now I need to drink and drink and drink and drink and whatever. Boom! Burp, burp, burp. No, come over here. Come over here. Don't get in front of anything. No. Bad. Bad. Getting ready to burp. What is? Give me over here? Give me over here. Bacon. Bacon. Wow. 10. The very top is 540. Oh my, what is this guy doing over here? No, don't you dare go over here. No, no, I'm gonna burp on you. Oh no, Janice Kid is after me. Run, run. Boom! Burped on you. What was that? What was that burp sound? What was that burp sound? Um, I drank, and now I'm gonna burp on him again. I missed him. Oh, somebody said I'm Godzilla. Here we go. Alright. Oh, he's almost dead. He's almost dead. Kill him. Kill him. Oh, I fell. Oh, somebody's getting ready to kill me. Help me. Going to bop this guy to stuff. He burped. Somebody burped me to death. You wanna try to bet on me? Burp on you. It'll explode. Burps are toxic. Alright. Why? Okay. I'm gonna get base. No, quit hiding. What is he doing? What is that? Come out here and knock you down with my burp. Come over here now. Why isn't he moving him? Come over here. Well, I officially died by a toxic burp. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. What? What is happening? What is happening? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Yeah. It didn't. What is that music? Why is old Clooney running around like a tiny little baby finger and like, yeah! What is this song? Uh, why did me and Sticky Candy Queen have You're on my head and I'm stuck in the ground. Help me. Stop. I'm gonna knock. Come over here. Come over here. Why is there a ginormous drink? Why is it, why is there a ginormous cup? Just flying in. What is that? It's raging. Why is that guy in underwear keep killing me? Look at him. He only has underwear. What? Well, why are their feet sticking out of the can? Why do I hear people dying everywhere? Yeah, yeah. You have a taste your own medicine. Now I got a taste of my own medicine. I'm burping everywhere. Look at this glossy color. It's like root beer. That's good. Mmm, mmm, I'm just gonna what? Continue playing. Well, I'm over here. No, I got burped on. So, bye bye. Bye. And I'm gonna end the video here. Goodbye. Peace out, dude.